Hello, my dear friend. How are you? Today, I will teach you this part of determiners. Okay, and before teaching you quantitative and numeral determiners, I would like to tell you one famous line of Shakespearean famous tragedy, Hamlet. Okay, Hamlet, King Hamlet, is murdered, and he has son Prince Hamlet. Prince Hamlet says this line: "To be or not to be, that is the question." So he's saying in context to the drama, but I am telling you, in today's or contemporary days, we get this question: what should be and what should not be? This is the question. Okay. For example, we are going to appear in examination. How was examination? What should be the pattern? And day by day, syllabus changes. Okay, so and in every field you can use this, even in politics of India. To be or not to be, that is the question. Okay, so let us come straight to the point. As I told you earlier, we I have taught you article determiners, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, and distributive determiners. Today is the last day of determiners, and I am going to teach you some basic rules of quantitative and numeral determiners. You should know the use of any and some. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentence. For example, there was not any water in the pot. This is your negative sentence, and in negative sentence we will use any. Okay. Interrogative sentence: didn't you lend her any money? Okay. So in negative and interrogative sentence we will use any in the sense of some or anyone. Okay. And some, or we will use some. As you know, some is used both in quantitative determiners and numeral determiners. You should know that it is used for uncountable noun. Okay. For example, uh, there is some water in the pot. Okay. And as you know, water is uncountable noun, some will be used. In second use, a small number, there are some books on the table. Okay. In this way we can use it. Okay. Now I'm coming to the point. You should know that little and few both are adjective, and you should know both these two adjectives have three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. First of all, I would like to tell you about little. Little is in positive degree. Okay. Less is in comparative degree. Least is in superlative degree. Okay. In the it is used for uncountable noun. And few is in positive degree, fewer is in comparative degree, and fewest is in superlative degree. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you everything about little. Little simply means not much. Okay. You should know much. It denotes for uncountable noun. There is little hope for his recovery, for his success. Okay. So it simply means there is no much hope for his success. In this way we will use little. A little, it means a small quantity, not a small number, a small quantity, uncountable noun. So a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. This is the common proverb. You can say it is. It has been told by Alexander Pope. Okay, the famous satirist. He said a little means a small quantity. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Third one is the little. Where will you use the little? It is used for not much, but all that is. Means they do such not much, but whatever it is. For example, the little knowledge of carpentry proved useful to me. Means I don't have a lot of knowledge, but the little knowledge, whatever I have, it is useful. It is proved useful for me. The little knowledge of carpentry proved useful to me. Okay, it's okay. So you can use it. I have told you everything about little, a little, and the little. Now, as you know, less is in comparative degree of little. Less means when we compare two things, okay, in a small amount or degree. You have less money than your friend. Okay? As you know, it is used for uncountable noun when we will compare two things. It means a small amount. List, as you know, it is in superlative degree and it refers the smallest amount. He drinks the least milk, means very small amount. Okay, so he drinks the least milk. It is all about the use of little, a little, the little, less, and least. Okay, now I'm coming to countable noun. Few, as I told you, in positive degree we get few, in comparative degree we get fewer, and in superlative degree in fewest. Few, fewer will you? Few means a small number. Look here, I have written here number. Here it is not. It is here. It is much. This is a difference. It is used for countable noun. Okay, so I have read very few books. Okay, means a small number. I have read not a large number of books. I have read very few books. I have read very few books. A few it is used for plural countable noun. I have a few friends in Canada. Means I have few friends. I have a few friends in Canada. It is plural countable noun. The the few means all number whether it is small. Okay, a small, you, as I told you, it is used both in quantitative and numeral adjective. I have read the few books I have. Okay, so it is all about the use of few, a few, and the few. Okay, but I have to tell you something about fewer. Fewer, as you know, fewer, it is used. John has fewer than 5 pence. As I told you, it is used for countable noun. Okay, and fewest means in February we received the fewest number of inquiries. In this way, we can use it. Okay, you just follow the rule, follow the structure, follow the way in which I have used. Okay, so it is all about quantitative and numeral determinants. One, I would like to tell you many and use of many a. Many, it is in great number, many boys are absent. Means a large number of boys are absent. Many a, it is used for great number, but before countable singular, countable noun or singular noun, countable singular noun. Many a student has failed. Okay, after many a we will use singular number. Okay, many a boy has received prize. Okay, in this way we can use it. So now your new session has started. So in next session I am going to start book portion, and it is of class 10th, a letter to God. I will start it. Okay, so just keep on watching, share, like, and comment me. Okay, thank you to all of you. Good evening, good night to all of you.